So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Basically today I'll be doing my top down analysis, like exclusive analysis on XAUUSD, Volatility 5 index and 75 index. First of all I'll start with XAUUSD. So just like I want to do a very quick breakdown, or like call it analysis, which is showing what I'm expecting this week. What I'm expecting this week, price action I'm expecting this week. So I'll begin with, I'll first of all start with XAUUSD. So as you can see, here is monthly time frame on XAUUSD. So basically on this monthly time frame there is nothing much here. On this monthly time frame I'll just look out for my last break. Here is my last break actually. My last break from here, then liquidity was given. On this 1 time frame, there is nothing much, just that I'll be expecting price like come and expect this particular FVG here. This on 1 time frame, this is what I'm actually expecting, like for price like come and give me a confirmation, then buy up. It's possible that price can't even come to this breaker block, I mean these other blocks here. So I'm not here to teach about other blocks or anything, just I want to do my my weekly analysis, weekly review, what I'm expecting. I'm not here to teach, just you learn how I do trade, stuff like that. So after seeing this for monthly time frame, let me go down. What the fuck, man? Let me quickly go down to weekly time frame. So here on weekly time frame, now look out for my last break. On this weekly time frame, here is my actual last break. My last break was at this particular place, then a liquidity was given, and then as you can see, price tried to like react from this zone. So as you can see, after price reacting from this zone, move a very move with a sharp clean move, and then dump again. Like, I don't know if you understand what I mean. So basically now, since price have taken out this, it haven't taken it out yet, but it's trying to. There is high probability that price will actually take out this particular low very well, like closing with full body candle. So now basically on XAUUSD, I'll be expecting stuff like this. I don't actually use LVG like that. I just use LVG on higher time frame. I only use LVG on weekly and monthly time frame. I don't try to use LVG on day time frame. Everybody get their own way of trading. So for now, I'll be expecting stuff like this. I'll be expecting on this weekly time frame, it's same zone, almost same zone with the wait guys, this FVG is not mitigated. This one is not mitigated, but so I'll be expecting a buy from here since the FVG is not yet mitigated. So now this is what I'm expecting on weekly time frame. On XAUUSD. So I'm moving down. So what I'll be looking currently for, like I'll be looking for more sales on gold. I'll be actually be looking for more sales on gold. So going down to daily time frame, just for now be looking for sales to like come into this zone. As you can see also on this weekly time frame is actually another block, so there is high probability that price can actually respect the zone. Yeah, I'm not sure that price can actually come into this breaker here. I'm not sure. It's not, yeah, like 10% probability, yeah, stuff like that. Here on this daily time frame, as you can see actually, here is my last break. My last break was here. Then as you can see, I don't think there is nothing much to show on this daily time frame. Price is actually coming from this zone. So I'll just quickly move down to 4 hours and 2 hours, and then I'm done with the sheet, man. So as you can see here on this 4 hours time frame, here is a very clean one. After this double break here, this one and this particular one, the liquidity was given. Here, and then price came to take it out and tap into this particular breaker blocks here. Yeah, so it's a very clean one. So now basically what I'll be expecting on XAUUSD is after this particular break here, this one also, which makes it a double break one. So as you can see here, ability was formed after this. Once it was formed at this zone, and then currently on 4 hours time frame, this is what I'm expecting on 4 hours time frame. I'm expecting for price like come and buy from me. I mean sell at least to like take out this particular low. Yeah, this is my DOL on 4 hours time frame if I'm to see. So this is what I'm expecting on XAUUSD. Let me check on 2 hours and see how it looks like. So yeah, honestly this zone is not varied. It's not varied. So as you can see on these 2 hours, honestly I'll be picking this 2 hour zone, small value. Yeah, if you want to know more about my zones, you can go and watch my other videos, yeah, where I teach about entries, directional bias, stuff like that. Yeah, so on XAUUSD 2 hours time frame, this is what I'm actually expecting. Actually. So I'll be expecting for a buy, then tap into this zone, then sell down, which is like take out this particular low. Yeah. Let me just save it. So this is what I have for XAUUSD basically. So I'll be moving down to another pair, volatility 25 index. So basically I'll start with I don't think there's not much things on monthly time frame. So here on monthly time frame, here is my last break. My last break was at this particular zone, and then no liquidity was given. Price is just dumping. So if I'm to pick a zone, I will actually pick this particular zone, because since if I didn't create liquidity, I'll use this low as my liquidity, and then the other zone is basically this other block here. So if I'm to expect any sell, any buy, why am I already saying sell? Any buy, yeah. So on monthly time frame, this is what I'm expecting on monthly time frame. Then let me quickly go down to weekly time frame. So here on weekly time frame, as you can see, is a very clean zone for buy, for the buy zone is a very clean one. So this zone like is a high probability zone for buy. It's a high probability zone for buy. I don't think once price invalidate this zone, I don't think there is any other zone it can hold here. I don't think. Even if there is, maybe I don't think that it can actually hold. But let's leave the let me just look out for the nearest, the recent price action. So your weekly time frame, I'm also expecting the same thing. So now as my buy zone is still far, like we can't wait for it like come to this zone. Now I'll be looking for more sales. Like I'll be looking for sales at least to like take out this particular low, this my liquidity. Then let me just quickly move down to daily time frame. Yeah. So here on daily time frame, let me just look out for my last break of structure. Here's my last break. And as you can see, there is another thing which is trend line liquidity. This is a high probability that price will actually take out this particular low. Trend line liquidity here. As you can see it. So now I'm expecting price like take out this particular low. You must actually take it out here. There is no zone is capable of reacting from. So now I'm expecting more sales on on VIX 5 index. So basically after this break, then my liquidity was given here. This is a time frame. Yeah, and then as you can see, if I want to pick a zone on this day time frame, this is actually zone I'll pick the breaker block here. The breaker block. So I'll be expecting on this day time frame, I'll be expecting stuff like this. But it seems like the zone is too far. The high probability of like having stuff like that. You let me just shake 4 hours and 2 hours to confirm the zone. Let me shake it and see how it's presenting itself actually. So as you can see, it's a very clean zone on 4 hours actually. Very clean zone, but I don't think that price can actually come back to this zone because it's still far. Price is just dumping anyhow without going into any zone. So now basically I'll look for my last break at the left hand, like at the left side of the chart. So basically, as you can see here, is my last break actually. I'll just look out for double breaks, and then price also give a break of structure here, which have already complete it a like double break, and then price created a liquidity here. And as you can see, though price have already taken out the liquidity and just dump. At this point I don't know. So now basically, since price have already taken out the liquidity, I don't think that it can actually come back. But now I'll be expecting like two things. Because if I'm to target, I'll just target this low to take out first before looking at any others directional bias. So basically here, 4 hours time. Let me check 2 hours to know if there is any first zone at that current zone. Wait guys. Okay, as you can see, basically at this place, after the liquidity didn't mitigate the other block, it just mitigated the candle wicks, so it's still leaving the body fresh, unmitigated. So I've already we missed this one not showing. We miss it, man. So as you can see, price have already tapped into the zone on 2 hours after my liquidity was leaving, then it started. But my target for this is basically this zone, this particular zone here. This particular zone. Here is my nearest zone liquidity. My nearest zone liquidity. So let me look out. Let me know if there is any confirmation given for sell when price triggered at that point. 45, there is none on 45. Let me check 15 minutes. Let me know if I can cook any screen setup now. Let's get the work started, man. So as you can see here, price just came to like after this my market structure shift here, then another break here, break here. So my liquidity was given. Actually, here is my liquidity. So as you can see, price has been dumping. Price has been dumping actually. So now this volatility 25 index, I'm expecting stuff like this. This is what I'll be so basically I'll be projecting for this one 11 hour. Yeah, I'm going for this basically with my SA here. So 10 hour, 10 is to the world, 10 is to the world. So this is what I'll be expecting, a very clean setup. This is what I'll be expecting on volatility 25 index. It's a very clean, not a financial advice, so, but I'm going in and like I'm taking the trade, man. I'm taking it as well. So here is my view, overall view. Yeah, so I'm expecting more sales, as you can see. I've already shown you guys the zone and other stuff. So basically I'll be moving to next pair, which is V75 index, V50 index. So I'll also start from monthly time frame. So here on monthly time frame, as you can see, price is still is in a very bearish trend, a very bearish trend, man. Wait, this CRT was from here. Surely coming from this particular zone here. See a very clean one, very CRT. Yeah, though this is not my main concept. Just as you are like studying the chart, you'll be seeing new things. So on weekly time frame is like I've just make out my zone on daily, on monthly time frame. So here on weekly time frame, nothing much actually, nothing much. There's nothing to mark out. It's just to go down, go down, go down to know if there is anything else. So basically, as you can see, as you can see here, basically see after price coming to this particular zone, I didn't even give a clear liquidity here. The liquidity wasn't that near to the zone, but it's actually valid anyhow. As you can see, price wasn't able, like after price tapping into this zone, I was expecting it to like come and take out this particular low here, but as you can see, price didn't actually do that. Like price just came to like maybe on 4 hours time frame the zone will be clear, then I'll explain it better. Let me just mark it out to two. As you can see here, price also came and then sweep out this low, this high, but didn't actually break. As you can see here now, like price is kind of in confusion state, man, because as you can see here, after this my break here, my liquidity was given here, this particular one, and as you can see, price take it out and it's currently reacting from this zone, and also price is trying, since price wasn't able to break this low, it means that there is a like chance that price can actually buy more buys. So basically, use what I'm having on the 8 time frame, and currently I'm expecting a buy, but price wasn't able to actually take out this high. As mean that price was able to take out this particular high here, know that I'll be going in for full buy, like full time buy, but price wasn't able to take out this low, which is will give me a confirmation for more sales, and price wasn't actually able to take out this high for buy confirmation. So now basically let me move down to 4 hours time frame to know if I can see anything valid here. So here on 4 hours time frame, as you can see, here is my trend line liquidity. Price went first to take it out. The trend line liquidity, yeah, price take it out, try to take it out here. So basically, as you can see here, not too much, guys. And also there is a trend line liquidity here. The price can actually take out. So basically on this V50, I'll be expecting stuff like this. Wait. After this my double break here and here, and then liquidity was given. Now I'm actually expecting for price to come and expect this zone for sale. This is a zone I'm looking out for sale. I'll wait for confirmation, but if price didn't give me confirmation, price is capable of actually taking it out to like continue the buy. So yeah, I'll wait for solid confirmation. I won't buy now, like I won't actually go and be buying now, because price is still like it's still in the two like how will I say it, in a confusion state now. So there is trend line liquidity here to take out, but price just so now basically I'll be expecting more sales. This sales is more valid, like it's more valid than the buy. So now I'll be waiting this will based on confirmations. Yeah, so guys, this here is the end of the um session. Thank you guys for watching to the end. I really appreciate. So on XAU, let me just do a quick recap. On XAU, expecting sales on Volatility 25. I'm expecting sales which I've already cooked the setup already. On Volatility 50, I'm expecting sales, man, like sales on all of them. Sales, gonna sell this week, man. So thank you all once again for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you all. You can also drop your thoughts and other stuff for the comment section. I'm here to provide you with the best information. Yeah, I'm here to help you and guide you in everything. So thank you all. I really appreciate you, man.